I was in the Navy. I was a machinist in the Navy. And I went to machinist school, but then I went out into the fleet on a repair ship, which was the best experience that you could get. And what we would do is go into the Mediterranean for say, and just tie up next to a carrier or a cruiser, and we would do all their repairs for them that they needed, any machine parts. We had carpenters, we had welders, we had a foundry, we cast parts, everything. Came out of the service and went to work for General Electric. And I was going to school at nights, and I got basically all my engineering, and then I had a BS in business, an MBA in business. I said, finally, I want to buy someplace, 4 walls and a door, and start something. But then we built it from there. And Giovanni Riccardi, who I said is our key guy, he started with me there, and I said, you stick with me and we'll build this place into something good. We started in Saddlebrook, and we started with 4 people, and there was no CNCs at that time, and that was approximately, 38 years ago, 40 years ago, and was strictly, everything was basically manual. And a gentleman from Morris came in and was trying to sell us a CNC, and we told him we couldn't afford it. Lo and behold, we were able to afford it. Someone took a chance with us, and it was an LB15 turning center.
Hello, my name is Giovanni Riccardi. I've been with PMMI since the beginning, approximately 35 years. One of our first machines was an LB15. Not only we found that was a great machine, service was great. As a matter of fact, a couple weeks ago, we had an issue with one of our machines. They came over, fixed it, got us up and running, back to production in a short period of time. Little by little over the years, we filled up the shop there with Akuma machines. The way we looked at it, they would cost a little more, but we couldn't afford the downtime, and we had very little downtime with the Akumas. We got the Sagamis when we moved here because we had no more room over there. You know, it falls under the Morris umbrella, and we're satisfied with that. Now we bought the first one, and we took a shot on it, and it worked out well. We ended up now at the present time we have 3, and we're looking to buy another one. We got to laser marking with Trump, and we bought the first one. We were in Saddlebrook. We had it in the office because we had no more space, and we still have it. Still runs. And we've bought 3 more. One thing I forgot to mention, that during our stay in Saddlebrook, we had a St. Valentine's Day massacre on a Saturday morning. We had 20,000 volts come through the lines and blow most of our machines. Many of the circuit boards were fried, equipment was ruined. We called Morris, and they were there for us. They brought down their people, and they helped us out, and they got us up and running within a week. We were up and running, and I mean, that to me is unheard of. And I don't know if we could do it today, but if anybody could do it, probably would be Morris. And that's why we've stuck with them over the years.
The beauty of working with Morris is that their belief system is the same as ours. They want to see us succeed. They care about us. They care about their customers the same way we do. And between both of our partnerships together, they step in and they help us whenever they can. They become part of our team when we call on them with solutions and troubleshooting when we need it. And it's a perfect match for us.